Hi, I'm Cameron Brown of Alexander Brown, specialist in plumbing fittings. For over 30 years we've been supplier and producers of large size compression fittings, sizes 67, 76 and 108mm. Our range also includes metric to imperial couplings to connect to the old 3-inch and 4-inch pipe systems. We have over 90 fittings to provide solutions to any application. Our ABCO Lamontite fittings are all made in UK and are the highest quality fittings available. Our fittings are demountable and can be removed and reused with a new compression ring. There is no need for specialist fitting tools, and as we're about to demonstrate, can be fitted using a standard spanner. Now we're going to show you how to install a 76mm straight coupling. Make sure the pipe has a clean square cut and use a file to smooth the inside and the outside of the copper pipe. This ensures the pipe fits correctly into the fitting. Next, slide the compression flange onto the pipe, then put on the compression ring. Place the body of the fitting to the pipe and the flange will fit over the pins on the fitting, and the nuts now can be hand tightened. Using a spanner, continue to tighten the nuts in increments of half a turn per nut. Tighten the nuts on the opposite side of the flange to ensure the flange sits parallel over the fitting and ensuring a sound joint. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions on our ABCO Lamontite compression fittings range, please call us on 0141 558 5599. You can also visit our website at abcoplumbingfittings.com.